Good afternoon, Tigers. I'm atmospheric science student Ethan Bean here with your Friday afternoon campus weather forecast. It's been a pretty nice day so far today. Current temperature of 68 degrees, that dew point at 38 degrees. So, a pretty refreshing feel. We're still slightly above average from where we should be for this time of year, but by all means, it is pretty nice in terms of fall standards. Those winds right now are coming out of the west at 16 miles per hour here in Columbia and in St. Louis. And overall, we are having a northerly, northwesterly wind component, as we did have a cold front move through early this morning. Did not bring much in the way of precipitation, but only some cloud cover, which has throughout the day gradually moved out of the area. And in fact, we are going to have a drastic temperature change heading into the weekend, but over the next few hours, those winds that are even coming out from the north, our temperatures are still going to be somewhat on the warm side over the next few hours. 68 degrees by 4 in the afternoon, 52 at 9, and then by 2 a.m., only dipping down to 45 degrees, which is still warmer than where we're going to be for our high temperatures for both Sunday and Monday. And it's all going to be due to the storm system up to the northwest that is going to be bringing some blizzard like conditions up into the northern Rockies, including parts of Colorado. And that is going to be sending down some pretty cold air, Arctic like air, in fact. And that air mass is going to bring our temperatures roughly 25 to 30 degrees below our average temperature for this time of year. Fortunately, though, this is only going to be a pretty brief, drastic cool down. We're going to have clouds move into the area overnight tonight. So by the start of your Saturday, we're going to be looking at a mostly cloudy sky. And it's going to remain cloudy throughout most of our Saturday until that cold front moves through around late afternoon, early in the evening. That is when I do expect to see clouds already starting to move out of the area, leading to a partly cloudy sky. Not much in the way of precipitation, as the air in front and even behind this front is lacking significant moisture. So while I can't rule out a chance of maybe a spot flurry or two, I'm not really thinking we're going to see much except just cloud cover throughout Sunday as well. 61 degrees for your high tomorrow. Those winds will be out of the south. But then once that cold front moves through late in the evening on Saturday, our temperatures are going to dive bomb 35 degrees on Sunday with a high of 39 degrees on Monday. And then just as we had a sharp cool down, we're going to have a sharp warm up as well, entering the 50s and then 60s once again by the second half of the week, maybe nearing 70 degrees heading into next weekend.